Meaning of fresh-faced.
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 Fresh-faced. The term fresh-faced is used to describe someone who has a youthful and healthy appearance, typically due to their clear and smooth skin. This phrase often implies a lack of aging or weariness, and can suggest a sense of innocence or newness. Someone who is fresh-faced may be seen as attractive or approachable, and the phrase is often used in compliments or advertisements for skincare products. Overall, being described as fresh-faced is a desirable trait that connotes health, beauty, and vitality.